Arancini? No, caponata. Pasta alla norma. Ah, com'è?
Hey. I'm not done yet. Don't jinx it.
But how? Oh, it's exactly like Mama's.
It was all in there.
But Francesco and I, we tried to cook it many times, 100 times. Nothing ever worked. The tavern emptied because of it.
Your father left you the tavern, but your mother, she must have left the recipes for your future wives. Only women could understand them.
No. Not a woman. An angel sent from the heaven. Hey. You want me to steal something for you, huh? Maybe the Venice?
You stop kissing me for every 5 minutes.
Of course. Santa Maria. Madonna Santa. The real customers.